Local Weather Authority.
Good afternoon and welcome back. Well, it is cloudy right now as we are looking at South 3rd on the Graber Post Building's camera. Mostly cloudy in the valley. We will see the sun later throughout the day, but of course mixed with clouds. Now, right now we are looking at the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar. Quite clear in the valley. We do have some scattered activity moving on in as we have had a few light showers early throughout the morning. So a couple of things that we are looking into for this week. Well, that dry pattern, it has come to an end as we do have rain returning throughout the week. All the way through the weekend, quite scattered. That high heat index near 100 on a couple of days. And of course, we are going to get a preview of what we can expect on the 4th of July. So as we take a look at our almanac, well, our record high, we were at 101 degrees in 2012. That heat index for today in the mid-90s, so not too far off. That record low at 50 in 1988, where this morning we were in the mid-60s at 66 in Terre Haute. Now, for precipitation, we are at a 0 when it comes to measurable. However, we have had a few light showers moving on through the valley as we can expect some pop-up activity later this afternoon. So for those current temps, well, we are approaching 80 degrees. 83 in Danville, 77 in Paris, 80 also down in Vincennes. Those highs today near 90. So taking a look at this week on our 5-day planner, well, as you can see, quite scattered all the way through the week, all the way through Friday, even this weekend, those scattered showers and storms. Temps are going to be within 90-degree range. Of course, that heat index near 100 on a couple of days. This weekend, we are going to drop to the mid to upper 80s. Now, on our satellite radar, this is from the last 6 hours. We've got some activity near Minneapolis. As we take a closer look on into the Wabash Valley, we have had a few scattered showers moving on through, more of in our southern areas throughout the early hours, as we do have more pop-up activity throughout the afternoon. So on our futurecast, well, mostly cloudy. We do have some sunshine moving on throughout the afternoon, mixed with some clouds, of course. This image right here around 2:45 p.m. as we do have a patch of scattered activity moving on through. More pop-up showers and storms throughout the evening hours. Not going to affect everyone. Some of us will stay mostly dry throughout the entire afternoon, but due to the heat and humidity, we are likely for those possible isolated storms, which we will keep you updated on. Right now, just some pop-up activity, nothing looking severe at this time. And that will carry on over throughout the next couple of days. Now, for today, our highs, we are going to be within 90 degrees. Of course, that heat index above could see a pop-up shower or storm later this afternoon. Quite humid in the valley, and for tonight, we are going to have lows near 70. Tomorrow, back near 90, the lower 90s, partly sunny in the valley, hot and humid. Pop-up showers and storms are possible throughout the afternoon tomorrow as well. Now, as we take a look at the next 7 days, well, this scattered activity lasting all throughout the week. Even on the 4th of July, those showers are likely possible storms. We will keep you updated on the time frame for all of those.
Oh, man.
I know.
I hate to hear that.
Me too. Well, a social media post about an act of kindness on a flight from